I thrifted this for like $7. It's supposed to be a swim cover up, but this, it's about to get me invited on a yacht. I just feel it. It's so stretchy, so bouncy. I don't think I'm gonna need a lining because it's so heavily printed. I think I'm just gonna do 2 layers of it. And I don't think you'll be able to see anything, but I'll probably wear pasties with it anyway. But the idea is like a very stringy, very sexy bikini. And then I think there's plenty of fabric. I wanna make a cover up with it. We'll see if there's enough, but I think there is. We'll see. I think we're gonna do the cover up first. And if this doesn't get me invited on a yacht, I don't know what will. The vision for this is so clear. I'm starting with the cover up because that's gonna take the most fabric. So I wanna make sure that I have enough for it. The bikini, I can fudge things a little bit. Cover up, not as much. We're gonna have plenty of fabric regardless. Plenty. Oh no, her arm fell off. Her arm ripped out. That's so sad. Oh, shoot. It was just stapled in there? What the? All right, well, let's just pin her back in. That's crazy. The thing is, once I get this draped, I'm just gonna do the front and the back exactly symmetrical because it's gonna have a really open neckline and I wanna be able to switch it so I can decide, do I want my left shoulder out or my right shoulder out? So I'm not like curving her on the bust or anything. It's so stretchy, it's not gonna matter. Sick. Okay, good start. Good start. Winging it is going well so far. Oh, you know what? Instead of doing like a shoulder seam, I think I can just make the sleeve out of this. No, because I want to do a little flare on the sleeve. So I do want to set one in. Okay. Cheetalicious. That really bounced up quite a bit. I didn't think it was gonna be that short. Is that gonna be long enough? Yeah, I just want it to be barely long enough to cover a swimsuit. Yeah, barely. All right, we'll cut the mirror image, serge the sides together. Careful not to unpin her arm. It's kind of wild because I have a whole nother layer on here, but I don't think you can tell because I can hardly tell and I'm right here. Oh, that's so hard to see, holy cow. Whoa, almost missed a turn. Serge the sides together and the shoulder seams. Try on the base. Hopefully it's not so short. I want it to be short, but not so short. I definitely didn't want it to be tight down here, so that's unfortunate. Maybe if I have extra fabric, I'll do little like Godets to have it like flare and flounce, but otherwise moving along how I'd like. And then add some long sleeves with flare at the bottom. I've honestly made so many sleeves in my life. I'm just gonna sketch it out. Not to say it's gonna turn out perfect, but there's a good chance it's gonna turn out well. Yeah, okay. I love that the sleeves are longer than the skirt. Love that. This with the blue nails. Oh my gosh, I really do feel like a cheetah girl. Oh, this needs to be tighter and then we can move on. Okay, dare I say, I did the easier sleeve first. Ha! And it looks awesome. It does look so different because I have white on underneath here. And also I think the body is stretching way more than the sleeve is. So I think it's just gonna look a little bit different. Love how long the sleeve is. I'm probably gonna have to shorten it because I think the other sleeve is a little bit shorter because I messed something up as I was going. Can never find it. It all blends in. Found it. Okay, I really do wish I had a second pair of hands because this would be a lot easier with a second set of hands, but I'm gonna just try and see if I can, yeah, okay. Less of a cap. Let's try it. Doesn't look that good, not on body. Okay, and then Godets, maybe in the skirt, but if so, we do that last. And also I think really low. I'll try it once I do the swimsuit so I know if I have enough material. Because if it ends up being like this, I don't mind. And then once I finish that, then I'll finish the necklines and hemlines and stuff. So coming back to this, I purposefully left this really long piece because I want one really, really, really long strap. So I'm gonna use this really long stretch to make a little tie first. And I need to put some elastic in with it so that it's nice and strong and then turn it out. Once I have that done, I can see what I have left to mock up my bodice and my bikini bottoms. I just serged my little tube with my elastic on it. I'm not gonna put probably elastic in the rest of the swimsuit, but I need it in the straps because the straps are really crucial to the support and this would easily stretch out if all the tension was on the strap with no elastic in it. And now I'm gonna try and turn it. When I did it on my practice piece, I kept getting it caught. So I'm gonna, oh, like that. It just catches in the mesh of the fabric really easy. So you gotta be careful about that. No, I don't think this is gonna work very well. I'm gonna do it with a safety pin instead, old-fashioned way. It is still a flat strap and I wanted more of like round strap. It'll do the job. And I don't have a thinner elastic, so I'm not gonna spend my time on it. And this is strong, which is good. I'm gonna drape the top because it's not gonna be exact. It's gonna be more of a feel. And I know that whatever looks like full coverage on my mannequin is not gonna look like full coverage on me, so we're going extra full coverage here. And we mirror this to the other side. And now I have my tube sewn. I just serged the edges and I'm gonna flip it inside out. I'm gonna flip these ends under and cover stitch them, leaving a little bit of a tube through here that I can put my strap through. If this works, it's gonna be the simplest bikini top ever, if it works. This is gonna go like this. So I think I just need to thread this through and use my safety pin because I did the channels pretty tight. If my safety pin can even get in there. Okay, yeah, crisis averted. That was a close one. Now I have to think this through. This is attached. That's gonna go over here. Boom, 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 boom. This needs to go this side, looped, and then down. That is gonna be so confusing when it's laying flat and not on the body. It's gonna be impossible to ever get on. Let's try it. Yeah, this is gonna be super confusing. Right now I can see the vision because I literally just did this. Okay, so cute. Okay, not exactly the vision I had because I did expect it to come like this, but that's more like what I was going for. But I do fear that it would just... Let's try the dress on. Haven't even done bottoms yet. To be honest, don't know if there's enough fabric because I think I'd want a tie on it. I think that this is gonna be what we can accomplish. I think I could have patterned it differently, but I probably would have had to have like 2 separate sets of straps, and I wanted it to be a pretty open back like this. So I also do think that if I swapped this and crisscrossed the straps, I would get a narrower line here, which is what I was going for. However, I don't want it to be like tight against my neck. And I don't think I have quite a long enough strap for that either to do a crisscross. I think it would barely tie in the back. I think it's worth trying, but perhaps I try it at the end and not at 11 p.m. This is fun. These are all the scraps that I have left to make the bottoms, and also hopefully add godets to the skirt. And this might look like a lot of fabric because it is, and it would be if it was all in one piece, but because it's all scrapped up, it proves to be quite difficult. I'm thinking it's still gonna work. These are gonna be our best chances for creating the base of the bottoms. And then I'm thinking that to conserve fabric, we do ties on the hips. That way we can do smaller sections, because if we wanted a full bottom, we wouldn't be able to cut that out. So I think that I'm gonna get my pattern out for my snake print swimsuit that I made. That's gonna be the most similar to what we're doing here. This is quite the predicament because it really isn't fitting. Okay, we're gonna adjust this pattern. I just need to be able to get 2 of these. Ideally out of one of these pieces so that I could conserve some for the back. I can do one here. Maybe I can do the other right here. That one we could for sure get 2 out of. Okay, now let's figure out what we're doing with the back. It's like the worst pattern drafting I've ever done. It's all by feel today. I need 2 of those. Let's cut that on the fold really quick. Okay, maybe. We'll see if we can make it work. And the tough part is we need 2 of each of them. Oh boy. Okay. If I can get 1 of each out of each piece, that would be money. That would be so money. So close. We can make it work. We did it. The puzzle, it's gonna work. Synergy. I have the 4 pieces for my bottoms cut out, and now I'm using this section to cut straps, and I'm hoping to get 4 straps out of it. It looks kind of like I'm only gonna get 2, maybe 3 out of it. And so I'll find another long stretch, probably this stretch, to make another strap out of, because I'm gonna be connecting strap, 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 so that I can tie them together. And they need to be somewhat long so that they can actually be tied. We'll make them as long as we can. Okay, we nailed that step. 4 straps, all long enough to tie, which is awesome. I have these set right sides together, and before I sew up my sides, I'm gonna stitch my straps in where they're supposed to attach, and then I'll do my sides up, and I'll do that boom, 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 and then I'll put my sides together. It's absolutely enclosed, and I left a little spot in the inside crotch seam undone so I can flip this right side out. We'll try it on before we close it up just in case we need to make any edits, because it's gonna be hard to get to once we serge it closed. That worked out really well, I think. Pretty excited about that. I might take the crotch in a little bit so it sits a little bit lower, gives a little bit more coverage. I might do that. It's just a little cheeky, you know? Like I can pull this down pretty far. This has a lot of stretch. So I think I'll just reduce some of that stretch so that once I get in the water and the fabric gets wet, it doesn't hang off kind of like a diaper. But pretty happy. And I could wear a high, or I could wear it a little bit lower, you know, whatever. You don't get to see it all together yet. Holy cow. I think I'll be taking almost 3 inches in vertical length. And that's just because of the fabric that it is. If I had a lining in there, like a spandex lining, it wouldn't do this as much. It's just because it's a mesh. I fixed the bottoms. They sit at a much better height now. I just don't like when something comes up so high because my bum is already kind of short. It just does something weird to my torso. It's not great. Back to this guy. Let's get this on again. Oh my gosh, I'm just loving it. Simply loving it. I think we do need to add some little slits of flounce. Maybe we could use this spot, maybe this spot. We could get 5, that'd be awesome. This is a risky move because if it doesn't look good, there's no really going back. Let's do 4. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'll cut into it and see where I want it to go. Okay, that's gonna be so cute. We might need more than that. Okay, we're adding 6. It has been determined. 1. Godet, 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 godet. So we're adding 6 in total, and I opted for doing more godets than doing taller godets, but they are gonna come up to here. I'm hoping that they add a little bit more flounce to the skirt, especially to the hip, because I'm wanting a little bit more of like a shape here. So let's add those. All the godets are in. Moment of truth. I haven't done the edge finishes on the necklines. It didn't add that much. Maybe I added more than I'm thinking because it was really tight before. Maybe you can tell a difference in a side-by-side perhaps. I like it. I'm gonna tighten this up just a smidge, and I'm gonna finish up the edges. One piece of fabric from the thrift store. You know what? Doing the bottom hem really helped. I did just a little baby like lettuce hem, and tightening this helped. Now I'm obsessed with it. I can't believe I just made this. It's 1 a.m. I should go home. So now we, as a collective, now need to find me a yacht to wear this on. That is so cute. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. This is quite literally all that's left. That is wild. That's good use of a piece of fabric. Final look.